All right, you guys, so here's our villa at Villa Cella Bella. The whole downstairs is ours. You gotta walk down like 100 stairs to get down here, but it's way worth it. Look how nice everything is. You walk down. We're literally in the jungle, y'all. To your right, you have a tub. That overlooks everything. And we can go down into the building of the villa. And if you look over here, here's the private pool. We have our own pool with lounge chairs. Look at Ash over there, chilling on the hammock. There's a hammock overlooking everything. And then here's the villa itself. Let's take a look inside. You have your TV and menus over here. You have your bed, king size bed, canopy bed. This is so nice, y'all, and unique. You go over here. You have your bathroom, your toilet, your shower. You're literally outside, you guys. Look at this shower. You look over and you're outside. There's no windows. You're back in the jungle. Go back out. Seating area over there, overlooking everything, and you have a balcony right here where you can eat. And again, this overlooks everything out here. Everything's so green and smells so fresh. This is a very unique experience.